Once upon a time, in a vast savannah, there lived a zebra named Zara. Zara was not like the other zebras. She had a unique pattern of stripes, each one thinner and more elongated than those of her kin. Zara was often teased by the other zebras for her distinctive appearance. They said her stripes made her stand out too much, and it was a disadvantage in the wild. One day, a lion came stalking through the savannah. Zara, being the most conspicuous, was easily spotted. All the zebras ran, but Zara, she froze. The lion approached, and just as it was about to pounce, Zara did something surprising. She began to dance, her stripes shimmering in the sun. The sight was so dazzling that the lion was momentarily confused, giving Zara enough time to escape. Word spread among the zebras about Zara's escapade. They realized that Zara's unique stripes were not a disadvantage, but a gift. From that day forward, Zara was admired and respected by all. The moral of the story is, embrace what makes you unique. For it is our differences that make us special and give us the ability to overcome challenges in unexpected ways.